Hello student, myself Archana Tiwari, your GK teacher of LPM Public School, situated in Gola Bazaar. So today I am going to explain you chapter 4, all about honey bees. In previous video I already explained you topic 1, 2 and 3. This is your fourth topic, the all about honey bees. It means today we will learn about the honey bees. Today we will learn about the honey bees. See here, honey bees have 6 legs. Honey bees have 6 legs, 5 eyes, 2 pairs of wings, a nectar pouch and a stomach. How many legs do honey bees have? Honey bees have 6 legs, 2, okay, and he has in common we see each and everyone having 2 eyes. But a honeybee have 5 eyes. Honeybees have 5 eyes and 2 pairs of wings with a nectar pouch and a stomach. With a nectar pouch and a stomach. See here, a honeybee visits 50 to 100 flowers for collecting nectars and pollen during a trip. How honeybees collect the nectars? He visits 50 to 100 flowers. He sit up on 50 to 100 flowers, a round figure, and collect the nectars. Okay, and collect the nectars. Bees can fly for up to 6 miles. Bees can fly up to 6 miles. Have you seen flying the bees? Yes, bees can fly up to how many miles? It flies up to 6 miles. And as fast as 15 miles as per hour and beat their wings 200 times per second when it flies up to 6 miles. But as fast as when it flies 15 miles in per hour. In per hour means in 1 hour it can fly 50 miles and beat their wings up to 200 times per second. In each second it beats its wings how many times? 200 times. Clear? Now next is what? Come to down. See here. The queen bee can live up to 5 years and the worker lives for about 6 weeks and do all the works. In queen bees, in honeybees, they are having a queen. In honeybees group also they are having their queen. The queen bees can live up to how many years? It can be live up to 5 years. Easily it can be live up to 5 years and the worker life for about 6 weeks. And the worker bee, those who are worker of the queen, that worker bees can live for only 6 weeks. They can live only for 6 weeks and till 6 weeks they do all the works. And within 6 weeks they can complete their all the work. They can complete their all the works. Each colony of honeybees has a unique order for members' identification. If we see, each honeybees has their own colony. Honeybees groups having their own colony, they have a colony of honeybees with unique order for members identification by which they can easily identify the members of that particular colony. The honeybees is the only insects that produce honey eaten by man. The honeybee is only the insect that produce honey eaten by man. You know, many bees are there, but honeybees only the bees that produce us the honey, which in each and every family, if you see, each and everyone's houses we have the honey. The only honeybee is the only insect, that is only a single insect to which we can easily produce honey, which is we can easily use for eating. We can easily use for eating. Okay. Now next, that is honey is incredibly healthy and includes enzymes, vitamins and minerals. In honey we can get many types of vitamins are there. It includes enzymes, it includes vitamins and also it includes minerals. All these things are very healthy ingredient which we get from honey, I think that much you must all of you clear. See here it's given here in the next topic. Second last is what? See here, a bee makes only 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. A single bee have only 1 and 12 means 12 parts mean only one part is that a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. पूरे lifetime में if we see a honey bees in its whole lifetime it collects only one of the 12 parts of a teaspoon of honey, not more than that. This is clear. In 12, if we divide into 12 parts of teaspoons, one part is only they able to collect the honey. Bees have been producing honey for at least 150 million years. How many times it gets? Bees have been producing honey for at least 115 million years. If you see, bees, whenever bees are producing honey, they have at least 150 million years. In the duration of 115 million years, they can producing the honey. Bees can producing the honeys. Clear? Now see here, next come down. Let's see, honey bees. Honey bees communicate with one another by dancing. Like human beings, we are communicating by talking. If we see each and every living things are talking to each other, they have a different symptoms to talk, different types of styles to talk. Like that we human beings are talking. If we see any two men or women are talking, our teacher or students are talking, they are talking what? They are communicating with each other by talking, by saying with the words. Same as it is, honey bees are also communicate. Honey bees are also communicate with each other. They also talk to each other, but their talking style is different. What? Whenever they are communicating with one another, they are dancing. By dancing, with the help of dance, the honey bees will communicate to each other. The honey bees are communicate to each other with the help of what? With the help of dancing. A colony of bees can contain between 20,000 and 60,000 bees. A colony of bees can. I already tell you that bees are also making their own colonies. Bees are also making their own colony. They have a unique order of members. Each and every colony have a unique order of members. So the colony of bees can contain between each and every colony have contained at least 20,000 to 60,000 bees. There is a group of 20,000 to minimum 20,000 and maximum 60,000 bees are there making a complete colony. It means in a particular colony minimum 20,000 and maximum 60,000 bees are stayed. Clear? But only one queen bees and other worker, only one queen bee and other worker honey bees. Clear? But all are the worker bees. Only one bee is the queen. In each colony bees, they having they having one queen. Many colonies are there, but the queen is only one, and other are what? Other remaining bees are the worker honey bees. Except one bee, the remaining other honey bees are the worker honey bees. A single personality, that is a single bee is a queen of that particular colony. The queen is the only. A single bee is the only queen who is the queen of all the colonies of honey bees. Clear? So today I am completed your topic 4 all about honeybees. By this much only I am going to end this video. So previous I already explained you topic first, second and third. In first topic I already explained you about the distinct animals, and in second I already explained you about birds crossword, in which I give the detail of I give the detail of peacock, eagle, penguin, emu, hens, parrot, like that many other animals are there or birds are there, about which I give you the explanation. And then in third topic I explain you about the world of reptiles, where we can see and also we can heard about the many types of crocodiles, turtles, iguanas, Komodo dragons, Gila monsters, lizards and dinosaurs, about this. And this is now this is the fourth topic all about. In this topic we have learned about the honeybees. What is the type of life they stay, how they use their nectars, how they collect the honeys, how many period times are there that they live, okay, how many what is the they having the produces of honeybees at least 150 millions of years. And also we have know that how they communicate with each other, or how they communicate, bees are communicate with each other by dancing. And also they have a minimum 20,000 and maximum 60,000 subgrouping of honeybees. They have a particular colony, and also they have a queen of their honeybees, and the remaining of the honeybees are the worker except the queen. So by this I am ending this video. So we will meet you in the next topic in the next video. Okay, then thanks for listening me. Bye.